I tell everybody do not overthink because I know all the big words, NFTs, metaverse, blockchain, crypto, everybody gets hung up on big tech words and the people sometimes overcomplicate things. And I think we just need to keep it simple. I mean, we just need to focus on what technology does and try it. I know a lot of people are scared to try new technologies and get a little bit overwhelmed by how fast it grows. But yeah, I just tell people keep it simple. Think of it as simple, like NFTs. You don't have to overthink. It's art online, but with authenticated mark. That's it.
Hello, and welcome to a brand new episode of the Engati interview series. I'm your host, Kimberly, and we're really glad to have all of you join us today. The Engati interview series is a powerhouse of insights from industry experts and influencers from around the world. A platform that provides the latest news on AI, automation, and technologies that will help you grow your business. Come, be a part of our community. Learn, share, and grow with us. And we have with us a very special guest right from the Middle East. We have Hailey Yoon with us from IO21. She is the co-founder and the CTO of the company. Welcome to the show, Hailey. We're so glad to have you join us today.
Thank you for inviting me, Kimberly. Lovely to join you today.
We are super curious to know all the amazing research and insights that you have on startups, especially in the Middle East region. Diving straight into our first topic, what, according to you, are your observations on the statistics on tech adoption, especially in how complex and how fascinating the Middle Eastern has been?
I think it's been very interesting since the pandemic. This online presence has been drastically increasing everywhere, especially in the Middle East. So according to the data sets, internet use in the UAE, so where I'm based in Dubai, UAE, UAE, it's 9.94 million internet users since January 2022, and social media, 10.65 million users, and mobile connections like cellular mobile connections, 17 million users. So based on the stats, no wonder there are a lot of tech startups in this region, and especially for myself, we develop software applications, mobile application, and algorithm development for a lot of corporations and larger government and different entities. And it's just so interesting how demand is still growing, because we thought online was already big, but after the pandemic, it grew even bigger.
Yes, of course. So I think after digital transformation really kicked in with the pandemic, what challenges and opportunities are you seeing, especially for startups?
I think challenges are there, especially for Middle Eastern regions, because the culture and personality is a little bit different. For example, when I recently started developing mobile app for a Saudi client, and have you used Tawakalna application? This is COVID related national application they have, and it's very, very amazing. And they have this feature, hide female profile pictures. Okay. So for female users, they give option to blur their image so that they can only turn it on when they feel comfortable showing the other person their face. And something like this is very important to have in the Middle East region, because we need to be mindful of religion and culture here. And same thing with accessibility design. So Dubai is very big on helping and encouraging people of determination, people with special needs. So whenever we develop any mobile applications in Dubai, we make sure that we are mindful of accessibility for people who can't see, people who can't hear, and other people with special needs.
This is really nice to know. This is really, I think, one of the very important features that businesses do tend to miss out on, when they're keeping the target audience in mind, of course. What technology trends are you seeing in the next 2 years, especially in the Middle East?
I think we already started seeing this metaverse. It's everywhere, and I'm actually quite excited about this. So Dubai just had the first metaverse wedding ever about a week, 2 weeks ago, and it was really interesting. The bride and groom had wedding attires and rings bought as NFTs, and they had whole wedding ceremony reception on metaverse. So that was wonderful. And I know there's another initiative, same in Dubai. DP World just announced a new initiative called DP Meta World. And here it goes beyond social network and entertainment. It provides education, government services, and trade. And I personally love the idea of having full visibility of the supply chain from end to end.
Yes, this sounds really, really interesting. I'm sure everyone is super hyped with the metaverse coming into picture. We would like you to share a one golden piece of advice, maybe a 30-second quick piece of advice. What do you think would be your, I would say, a golden nugget to share with small SMEs coming up, keeping in mind technology transformation and adaptation? Yeah.
I tell everybody, do not overthink. Because I know all the big words, NFTs, metaverse, blockchain, crypto, everybody gets hung up on big tech words, and people sometimes overcomplicate things. And I think we just need to keep it simple. I mean, we just need to focus on what technology does and try it. I know a lot of people are scared to try new technologies and get a little bit overwhelmed by how fast it grows. But yeah, I just tell people, keep it simple. Think of it as simple, like, NFTs. You don't have to overthink. It's art online, but with authenticated mark. That's it. So I mean, for all users, because I know it's not just developers interested in tech field anymore. It's students,
Yes.
housewives, marketing, like everybody's interested in it. And I highly encourage everyone to just, take it as it is and be part of it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Hailey, for sharing your valuable insights with us. For more content, subscribe to Engati and tap the bell icon so that you get access to exclusive content coming from thought leaders from around the globe. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you with the next expert soon. Thank you.